Yes, hello student, please see the question. That is a very important question or good questions. If A is equal to this, then find the inverse of A, and by using this inverse, solve the following system of the equation. Now, first of all, we check the inverse of A is exist or not by find the value of that is that A, or that A is equal to 1 into that is 3 to 6, or minus 3 minus 1 into 3, or plus 6, or plus 1 into minus 1 minus 4. So this is equal to, if you see here, 3 to 6, or minus 3 minus 1, or that is 3 1 ja 3, or minus plus 6, or that is minus 1 or minus 4. This is equal to 3, or that is 6 or 3 9, minus 9, or minus 4 plus 1 5, or that is 9 5 14, or minus 3 minus 11 not equal to 0. This implies that A inverse is exist. Now we find the cofactor of this matrix, that is A11, A12, A13, A21, or that is A22, or that is A23, A31, A32, or that is A33. Now, for the cofactor that is A11, that is a clear 3 to 6 or minus 3 is equal to 3, or that is equal to 9, or this is equal to minus 5. Now, we find the cofactor of the second row, or this is equal to second row के cofactor होंगे 3, or 1 जा 3, or plus 1, that is 4. 3 1 जा 3 plus 4, or that is 3 1 जा 3 minus 2 is equal to 1, or minus 1 or minus 2, that is minus 3. Now, the cofactor of the third row, that is 2, minus 3 or minus 2 equal to minus 5, or that is minus 3 or minus 1 is equal to minus 4, or 2 minus 1, that is 1. Now, these are the minus. Now we convert these minus into the cofactor by changes the sign. 1 1 no change, that is change, no change, change, no change, or that is change, or 3 1 4 no change, or that is change. So therefore we know that the value of A inverse is equal to adjoint of A divided by that A. Now, the inverse matrix A inverse should be equal to, that is 3 minus 9, or that is minus 5, or minus 4, or that is 1, or that is 3, minus 5, 4, and that is 1. Now, by using, again, find A inverse if A is equal to this, and hence solve the given equations by using this A inverse. So we write the system into the matrix form. So we write second part, we write the system in the form of matrix as, that is Ax is equal to B. यहाँ हम देखें A ये है हमारे पास, फिर मैट्रिक्स सी एक्स, और मैट्रिक्स सी एक्स is equal to B. So this implies that here C is equal to, हम देखें अगर मैट्रिक्स C is equal to, that is the coefficient matrix, that is 1, 1 and 2, or this is 1, 2 minus 3, or that is 2, that is 1, 2 or minus 1, or that is 2, 1 minus 3 or 3. Now, देखिए 1, 1 or 2, that is 1, 2 minus 1, 1 minus 3 and 3. Or matrix X is equal to the variable matrix X, Y, Z, and matrix B is equal to the coefficient matrix 0, 9 and minus 14. So therefore, here X should be equal to C inverse B. But here, if we observe the matrix relation between the matrix A and C, अगर हम A और C में रिलेशन देखें तो we get here the matrix C should be equal to A transpose. So this implies that C inverse is equal to A transpose का whole inverse, और this is equal to that is A inverse whole transpose. So therefore we take here C inverse is equal to that A is equal to minus 11, minus 1 by 11, that is minus 1 upon 11. So C inverse is equal to minus 1 upon 11 or into 3 minus 9 minus 5 minus 4 1 3 minus 5 4 and 1, or therefore we get the value of X is equal to, therefore X is equal to, that is A inverse C inverse into B, that is C inverse into B, or therefore X is equal to C inverse into B, or X is equal to C inverse minus 1 by 11 or into 3 minus 4 minus 5, and here we take the transpose, sorry, here we take the A inverse, or A inverse is equal to minus 1 by 11, or that is 3 minus 9 or minus 5 minus 4 1 3 minus 5, इसका C inverse is equal to transpose of this, that is transpose, or so therefore we take here the transpose of this matrix A inverse का whole transpose is equal to 3 minus 4 minus 5 minus 9 or 1, or that is 4 minus 5 3 or that is 1, or into matrix B 0 9 and minus 14. So therefore the value of the X is equal to minus 1 upon 11 multiply row by column, this is 0 minus 81 or plus 70, or that is 0 or 9 or minus 42, 0 or 36, that is 0 4 9 36 or minus 14, or this is equal to minus 11. Now देखिए यहाँ पर आपका बच गया minus 11 or that is 42 minus 9, 12 minus 9, that is 3, 33 minus 10, or that is 6 minus 4, that is 2 or 22, or this is equal to 1 or 2, 1 or 3, or that is 2. So this is the value of x, y and z, or therefore x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 3 and z is equal to 2. This is our complete answer. And yes, solve the following equations by using matrix method. तो here हम लोग इसे लिखेंगे. First of all, we write the system in the form of matrix, as we write 1 1 1 4 minus 3 2 10. That is, say the matrix A, this is x is equal to that is B. Or this implies that x is equal to A inverse B. So first of all, we find the value of that A, or that A is equal to 1 minus 12 or plus 2 minus 1 or into 16 minus 12 or plus 1 into, that is minus 4 or plus 18, or this is equal to, if you see, minus 10 or 16 minus 4 or that is plus 14 is equal to 0. This implies that the system has either no solution or many infinitely solution. देखिए, either has no solution or many infinitely solution. तो यहाँ पर हम एडजॉइंट ऑफ ए इंटू बी निकाल कर हम डिसाइड करें कि सिस्टम नो सोल्यूशन रखेगा, मैनी सोल्यूशन रखेगा, बेटर होगा हमारे लिए कि हम इसे सपोज कर जाएं द सिस्टम हैज मैनी इनफाइनाइटली सोल्यूशन. और अगर ये सिस्टम मैनी इनफाइनाइटली सोल्यूशन रखता है तो हम उसे निकालेंगे. कैसे निकालेंगे? देखिए, हमने यहाँ z को या x को या y को, we take any one of the three variable is a arbitrary constant. So that we take here z is equal to k and put the value of z either in the first two equations or either second or third or either first or second. But also you check the product of the coefficient of x and y, then this into this minus this into this does not equal to 0. If this value is 0, so then we change our assumption z is equal to k. In this case, we assume the value of either x or either y is k. Again we check the same. If the product of these does not equal to 0, so then we continue the question. Otherwise we change again the equations, put in the either first or second or third equations etc. ये ध्यान में So therefore, put in equation first. Put z is equal to k in the equation first. We get x plus y is equal to 2 minus k. That is say equation 4, or 4x minus 3y is equal to say 11 minus 2k. This is the equation 4. Okay. Now by solving these equations I am using matrix. Again we write these equations in the form of matrix. In the form of matrix we get as, देखिए, that is 4 3 1 1 4 or minus 3 into x y, or is equal to 2 minus k, or that is 11 minus 2k. Now this is the cx, or this is equal to d, or that is x is equal to d, x is equal to c inverse t. Yes. So therefore, here we find the value of C inverse. और अगर हम यहाँ देखें तो the value of C inverse is equal to adjoint of C upon that C. और this is equal to, अगर हम यहाँ देखें इसको तो that is -3 or 4, this is -3 or 4, or that is 1 or 1 minus or this. Or therefore the variable matrix X is equal to C inverse D, or C inverse D, yes, also -3 or minus 1 by 7. 1 by 7 minus 3 minus 4 minus 1, or 1 into 2 minus k, 11 minus 2k, row by column multiply, minus 1 by 7 minus 6 or plus 3k minus 2 or plus k, or this is row by column, just a minute. minus 6 or that is minus plus k 3k r1 into c1 minus 11 or into plus k 2k, that is minus 8 or minus plus k 4k, or 1 into plus 11 or minus 2k, or that is x is equal to minus 1 by 7, 3 or 2 5k, or that is minus 17, or that is 3 or plus 2k, or therefore we get the value of this x is equal to, that is x is equal to minus 1 by 7, or that is say 5k minus k or plus 17, or divided by 7, or 3 plus 2k divided by 7, or therefore here x y z, x or y, x is equal to 17 minus 5k upon 7, or y is equal to 3 plus 2k upon 7, or z is equal to k. Now value of x, y and z in equation थर्ड. हम थर्ड इक्वेशन पुट करेंगे. 6 into 17 minus 5k upon 7 minus 3 plus 2k upon 7 or plus 4k is equal to 10. That is 102 minus 30k, or that is minus 3 minus 2k or plus 28k is equal to 70. Or this implies that 102, और that is say अगर हम यहाँ देखें तो minus 3k और minus 2k minus 3k, or that is minus, or that is also minus 3k minus 3 or minus 2k minus 3 or minus 2k, or that is plus or plus 2k. So 105 or that is 2k 30 or is equal to 7, not equal. So this implies that the value of x, y and z not satisfy equation third, or therefore the system has no solution. देखो ध्यान दें यहाँ पर, if the value of x, y and z satisfy the equation third, then we say the system has many infinitely solution, and the our solution is x is equal to this, or y is equal to this, and z is equal to this. Where k is any real number, if we take the different value of k, then we get the different solution of the x, y and z. So therefore we can see that the system has many infinitely solution. Yes, find whether the following equation are consistent, or if they are consistent. अगर सिस्टम कंसिस्टेंट है तो then find the solution. तो first by using matrix method we write the following system in the form of matrix as Ax is equal to B, or where A is the coefficient matrix, that is 3 minus 1 and 2, or 2 1 and 3 1 minus 2 or minus 1 into x y z is equal to 3 5 and 1. देखिए ये मैट्रिक्स हमारे पास होगी. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ डेट ए, और डेट ए इज इक्वल टू 3 इंटू माइनस 1 प्लस 6 और प्लस 1 माइनस 2 माइनस 3 प्लस 2 माइनस 4 और दैट इज माइनस 1. देखिए यहाँ बस गया 5 15, दैट इज 15 और दैट इज 15 माइनस 5 और माइनस 10 इज इक्वल टू 0. तो इसका मीनिंग क्या हुआ? दिस इंप्लाइज दैट A inverse does not exist. Does not exist. And the system then we find adjoint of A. Or for adjoint of A, we write the value of the cofactors, that is say A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32 और that is A33. देखिए फर्स्ट रो के कोफैक्टर आपके आ गए 5 और -5 और that is -5. Now the cofactor of the second row of this matrix is that is +k1 और +k4 5 और 3 -3 और -2 -5. Now -6 that is -6 or +k1 that is -5. Now the cofactor of the third row is -3 -2 -5 and that is 9, 3 is 9 -4 +k5 or this is 3 or +2 that is 5. But these are the minus or we change in cofactor. No change, plus change, no change, change, no change or change, or that is no change, change, no change. तो therefore A inverse तो हमारा नहीं निकलेगा adjoint of A is equal to 5 -5 that is -5 और 5 -5 और 5 देखो यहाँ हमारा adjoint of A निकल गया और for checking of the system is consistent and inconsistent we find the value of adjoint of A into B. So therefore adjoint of A into B or into B is equal to 5 -5 5 5 -5 -5 -5 5 5 और into matrix B is 3 5 and 1 और that is row by column. अगर हम प्रोडक्ट करें 15 -25 और that is आपका -5 और that is -5 5 3 15 -25 -5 और that is -15 और 25 और that is 5 और this is equal to आपका -15 और +15 not equal to 0 और therefore the equation has no solution and system is inconsistent. Okay. Because the system has no solution, therefore we no need, because the system is not consistent, inconsistent, therefore no need to find the solution because the system has no solution. Yes, solve the following equation. 2/x - 3/y आप लोग यहाँ देख रहे हैं कि जो वेरिएबल है वो हमारा डिनोमिनेटर्स में आ गया. अगेन वी राइट द सिस्टम in the matrix multiplication. So then we get here, we get this implies that is ax or is equal to b, or this implies that x is equal to a inverse b. So we find the value of a inverse because that a is equal to 9 or a inverse is exists. We find the cofactor matrix a11, a12, a21, a22 or a23 or that is a31, a32 और a33. अगर हम देखें तो यहाँ पर हमारे पास ये आ गया 3 और that is -1 और this is equal to -4. Now the cofactor of the second row is अगर हम देखें सेकंड रो के कोफैक्टर तो दैट इज -6 और +3 दैट इज -3 और 2 to the 4 और -3 दिस इज इक्वल टू 1 और दैट इज -2 और +9. देखिए that is -2 और +9 7. Now the cofactor of the third row that is -3 or that is -3 -6 or that is 2 or -3 -1 or 2 or +3. This is equal to 5. Or we change the minor into cofactor. A plus, no change, plus or that is minus, no change or that is plus. So therefore we get A inverse is equal to adjoint of A upon that A or is equal to 1/9. 3 1 -4 3 1 or that is -7 or -6 1 and 5. So that is the value of the A inverse, or therefore we find the answer as, put the value of A inverse here. X is equal to A inverse B or x is equal to 1/9 3 3 -6 1 1 1 or -4 -7 and 5. Now the value of the constant matrix is 10 10 and 13. We find the value of this is row by column 30 plus 30 or 18 or that is 78. Now 10 plus 10 or plus 13 minus 40 minus 70 or plus 65 is equal to 1/9. 30 30 60 minus 80 or that is 20 or this is 13 33 or that is 110 minus or 65 5 or 10 minus 6 45 that is 45. Again you see that is 1 or this is 10 or that is 10. Now we check the cofactor of second row again. This is equal to -2 or that is 33 or upon 9 or that is 5 or this is equal to -2 or that is 11/3 or that is 5. तो therefore x, y and z, x is equal to -2, y is equal to ln by 3 और z is equal to 5. Please check again the cofactor of second row. अगर हम cofactor second row के चेक करें तो हमारे पास 3, that is -6 और प्लस के 3, ठीक है, और that is 4 और 2 to the 4 और -4 और -9 इज इक्वल टू -5 और -5 आपका ये आएगा, that is yes, here we check the cofactor of second row, that is -5, or this is 3 into 10 30, 3 10 30 -78, that is -18, or that is 10, or -50 or 30 -27, or that is 9 3 minus के 27. Now that is 40 or 70 -65 -45, or this is equal to -3 and -5. So therefore x is equal to -2 or y is equal to -3 and z is equal to -5. This is the answer.